Okay, it's May 10th, I think, here at Innery. Show you what we're doing. Cutting some steel. That's going to make up the railings. Got a 2x2 thick wall. And cut it to pattern here. Fill in the blanks as we go. You can see a lot of steel. So where they're joined with those 6-inch short pieces will be a post. Of course, we'll have corner posts and then post, jog, and then we'll have a opening between these two guys for that spiral staircase. Gonna blast that and repaint it, and it slides down over that pipe down there. So that's what's going on here. Had to cut the steel, get a good angle on it. That's the best joint. That's the worst joint, but we can fill that in with weld and then grind it smooth. So I'm standing on the deck, of course, but here's all the pieces that go up. Now when those posts are on, the deck will be about 36 inches high, and then there'll be 10 layers of wires horizontally slip through. Here's the view off the deck. I got some bush to thin out over there, but you can barely see the rapids over on the other side of the tree line there coming down the shoals. It's quite nice. But the machine is cutting. We've got two steel beams welded to the frame. They're going to get wrapped in antique brick, and then if you can picture an arbor going across, be mounted against the building here, and then they'll come across vertically, and it'll be like a trestle, but they call that an arbor. Then right here between these two, there'll be a step going down, and it should match the width of the door. The door, by the way, is going to get blasted when that spiral staircase gets blasted, and then we'll redo the whole thing. South Carolina, fully in bloom. There's the elm that was planted a couple years ago. It's doing quite well. It's the one we just picked up off the concrete with the skid steer, just scooped it up and dug a hole and threw it in there. Anyways, that's it. Looks like my pipe is done cutting down there, so I'm running back up. We'll talk to you later. So long from Innery.